Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about best video meeting apps. Let's get started. Zoom is one of the most popular video conferencing solution for businesses. It is feature rich with various plans based on businesses size and needs. Prices range from free for basic personal meetings to $19.99 per month per host with minimum of 100 hosts for large enterprises. The features for the enterprise level plan include up to 200 meeting participants, unlimited cloud storage, custom emails, a vanity meetings URL and more. This is about the Zoom app. Let's see the second one, that is Google Hangouts. Google's foray into the video conferencing market is the part of its Google Hangout service. Hangout is often considered to be an individual use service, not as feature rich as other commercial and enterprising ready services. However, for the small businesses or those that fully leverage G Suite across their operations, Hangouts can be an effective tool for video communication. The cost can be low depending on your terms G Suite subscription, which start as low as $6 per month per user. This is about the Google Hangouts app. Let's see the third one, that is Google Meet. Google Meet created for enterprise customers. Google Meet is an upgraded version of Google Hangouts. Google Meet is designed unscheduled video meetings among team members with similar features to Zoom like calendar syncing, conferencing room booking, and more published user interface. This is about the Google Meets app. Let's see the fourth app, that is GoToMeeting. GoToMeeting has many useful features including instance meeting or meeting scheduling, meeting transcription service, and in-app meeting messaging between participants. GoToMeeting pricing starts at $14 per month for groups of up to 10 meeting participants and costs $29 per month for large groups up to 150 participants. This is about the GoToMeeting app. Let's see the fifth one, Skype for businesses. Microsoft's popular Skype service is augmented as an enterprise-ready video conferencing tool. It has several business features such as allowing up to 250 attendees in meetings and connection with other Skype users, and virtual whiteboarding capabilities. There are some limitations, however, such as lack of integrated dial-in audio conference features and lack of hardware support with online-only plans. User fees start at $2 per user per month. This is about Skype for Business app. Let's see the sixth one, that is Cisco Webex, an industry standard service especially for those with a large number of Teams members or an exceptionally large enterprises. Cisco's Webex video conferencing service operates like a mashup of web conferencing and voice calling services, as it enables joining meetings online or via the phone, depending on the participant's location and ability at the time. Pricing start at $13.50 per host per month. This is about Cisco's Webex app. Let's see the seventh one, that is BlueJeans. BlueJeans is full-featured web conferencing app that integrates with collaboration tools, touching a simple and modern approach. In contrast to some of the more complex services offered by the competitors, BlueJeans uses a system of meetings, rooms, and events to enable video meetings anywhere. No software is required with the ability to launch meetings from a browser. Also, the service allows for easy viewing of all video conference activity in your organization. Plans start at $16.65 per month per host for enterprising teams. This is about the BlueJeans app. Let's see the eighth one, that is Slack, an extremely popular collaboration tool used in organizations all over the globe. Slack has integrated video conferencing features. If your organization is not using Slack, adopting it for video conferencing probably doesn't make much sense. Video conferencing is like an add-on to the functionality of Slack and can be a great tool for integrating hybrid teams. One-on-one video chat is part of Slack's free account offerings. But for the large meetings, customized enterprise pricing is necessary, which is require a customizable quote. This is about the Slack app. Let's see the ninth one, that is appear.in. This video chat service is ideal for small organizations that want a simple method for connecting team members. It features a fast service due to its streamlined nature. Appear.in has anonymous features which might not be important to enterprises but are noteworthy nonetheless. Appear.in starts free, but teams will want to pay $99.99 per month, which will allow up to 150 users. This is about the Appear.in app. Let's see the final app, that is BigBlueButton. The last service on our list is the open source BigBlueButton. It features whiteboard capability for meeting productivity and was created especially for education and online learning. As a free open source tool, there are many add-ons and integration through third-party developers that allow for customized web conferencing experiences, including an integration with the learning management system that will make for a seamless student and teacher experience. This is about the top 10 best video meeting apps. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.